Hey guys, it's Poochie with a little tip for you. A lot of sellers stop selling like summertime items when winter hits or fall hits. But here's the deal. There's a lot of places where buyers buy summer related items all year long, such as Southern California, which is a huge market, Arizona, Florida. So if you're not selling, say, outdoor lawn and garden or pool equipment in the winter, you may be missing out. Let me give you an example right here. It's a part for pools that is in the top 3% of bestsellers on Amazon, and a lot of people aren't selling it because it's winter, but it's still selling. Now, the actual profit, if you're drop shipping that item, is even higher. It's over $20. So feel free to add that to your Amazon store and source it from eBay and make money. I'm Poochie, and we're keeping it real.